Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm sharing a quick organization of my sheet protectors. I was storing my sheet protectors on one of the shelves in my IKEA unit, and I felt like it was taking up prime location, and I don't often use my sheet protectors. I have a lot of these for future projects and things that I feel like I'm not scrapbooking right now. So I decided to sort them and organize them and then move them to a location that wasn't as prime as the location that it was in. So here I am just sorting through what was on that shelf, and I have lots of different kinds. A lot of them are from Tuesday Morning, Goodwill, and yard sales. This is the bin that I want to put them in, but right now I have a very large, like pre-kindergarten through 12th grade kit in there. I'm just temporarily moving it into like this organizer, and I will relocate that later on, but I know this is not a spot that I want to keep this kit anymore. And I'm just flipping through to see what else is in there, and I just have a bunch of page kits with matching paper pads and ephemera all ready to go. And here I am taking them out of that crate and moving them onto my IKEA unit, and that cubby is where I used to store the sheet protectors. And I think this is just going to be a much better location because I have other paper kits up in that area. So I am now just starting to try and sort and organize the sheet protectors inside this crate, and I'm trying to kind of put it in some kind of order. They were being very difficult and they weren't wanting to stand up, so I was getting some heavy duty plastic dividers that I had laying around to help sort the 12 by 12 sheets from the Project Lifestyle, and just try to do a quick rough sort so that it's easier for me to flip through when I'm looking for a certain sheet protector size. Now that I have gone through this area, I for surely will not be purchasing any additional sheet protectors of any size or style because I have more than enough. And I know that when I start to use them on a regular basis, that I will always be able to find more at the Goodwill stores. And so I'm going to really make an effort not to be purchasing anymore until I actually start using the ones that I actually have. And this just about wraps up my organization of my sheet protectors. Here in a second, I will show you all the items that I purged from my craft room and how it looks now. Okay, I'm going to get rid of these ones that are like bent up. So those are going in the trash. I think that's going to go in the trash. This is all crinkled. These can go away. These ones are ruined. So these are just different types. They're good. These are like really small pockets. These are okay. And I have so many of these. I have another whole stack of these. Okay, so these aren't even like actual photo sizes. I thought maybe I could like use them in my family albums, but they're too small, and I have another whole stack of this that I've already put in that white bin. So the back one is ripped, so I'm going to donate all of these. And these are all baseball card sleeves. I'm going to destash these because I have an unopened package and then a half-use package. So I'm going to destash these. Send somewhere else. These all have a strange tint color to them, and so I'm going to donate these. So now what I've done is, because I don't use these very often, I've moved them, and I want to move my paper kits up in these, and I think I'm going to move this down and this one up. And so that's what I'm working on. I also have page kits in that one. I might switch these two bins if I can't fit all those up in one of these. And that wraps up my organization video today. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Have a great day.